Hi everyone, Tracy Bish here, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. I've been busy this afternoon doing a little bit of gardening with my husband, and I thought I would just show you a little bit of what we've been doing this afternoon. So let me show you. We've actually had these beds for a little while. We've had different things in it. We've built them up again with new soil, fed them. We eat a lot of coriander in our family with parsley. So we've got a couple of parsley plants, lots of coriander because we eat so much of it. That's in one. Then we have mint, which I've got mint in other areas of our garden, but a new mint for us, and a couple of strawberry plants. My husband's getting ready to put some more irrigation in. We have one raspberry, another raspberry, and these 4 pots actually had yuccas in them not so long ago. They were huge, so we got rid of them. We have a blueberry and one lonely old capsicum there, so that's our extent for the last couple of hours. Let me just show you too, we've got quite a few fruit trees and citrus trees, and they're coming along really nicely. Some have been in for about 7 years, but we have an apple, and I believe that one's a Red Delicious crossed with a Pink Lady. I think all of my apples are Pink Ladies crossed with something else. This one's an apricot tree, and you can see apricots everywhere. I cut this right back during winter and it's huge again. We call it Sideshow Bob because it just gets bigger and bigger. And then we have another apple. Look at the apples on here. The last couple of years we've really gotten tons and tons of apples from our trees, so they're doing really well. Over here we have another apple, and this is Granny Smith and Pink Lady. So once again, tons of apples in there. And we've actually lost quite a few over the last couple of days. We've had strong winds, so we've lost quite a bit of fruit. And then we have a peach tree, which these peaches are so sweet, they're beautiful, which is lovely. Further down our backyard, and excuse the mess because it is a mess, we have a nectarine tree, a lemon, and an orange tree. The lemon's up top, the orange is down below. It's one tree that's been grafted. Anyway, the next one is a plum scrumptious, which is a plum cross with a apricot. And then we have a lime one, which is right down the end. He's really tiny and he hasn't grown too much over the years. And let me just show you in our next block, I've planted a mulberry tree. So we have a mulberry tree there as well, which is coming along really nice. So I do show off my trees and fruit quite regularly, and let me just show you off my lovely husband there too, who might even come in.
Eating dinners?
He's eating dinners. Alright everyone, thank you so much, have a nice day.